Hello students, the question is from DBMS. Okay, the question is, suppose you are given a relation R is given. Question is from DBMS. A relation R is given over variable x, y, z and w. Okay, and the functional dependency are defined as xy determines z, zw is it determines x, and y determines w. Okay, so these are the functional dependency given. So in the first part they have asked how many minimal keys keys are there in R. Okay, so to find out the keys we can find out the closure, right? We can find out the closure of each and every variable and taking the subset of those, and which will satisfy, which will contains all these variables x, y, those closure which will contain all these variables x, y, z, w, those will be the minimal keys. Means whether it can be a primary key or a the collection of all the keys is known as the candidate key, right? So among them one will be the primary, another will be the secondary keys. Okay, so you check for x plus x closure. See, there is no dependency like that, so it will be x only, so this is not our key. Then y plus, so y closure will be what? Y determines w. Okay, now w determines anything, whether w so wy, so now wy no combination is present, so this is the only thing, so this is also not our this one key. Then z plus is again z, so this is not. Similarly w plus also won't be there. Now check x y plus. xy determines z, so x comma y comma z. Now whether there is a combination, yeah, y can determines w, so w. Now zw is a combination and determines x is already there, so all the variables are present in this closure, so this is our one key, this is the first key. Okay, now second key, just check for xz plus. Okay, xz will be there. Now there is any combination of x and z? No, there is no combination, so only this much will be there, so this is our not key. Now another one is yz plus. Okay, so yz plus will be what? Yz plus, right? So minimum it is asking, it is not asking maximum, minimal number of keys what it have. Then yz plus will be what? So y will be there, z will be there, y determines w, and zw is a combination, so zw determines x, so all fours are present, so this is the minimal key, so this is the second key, so no need to check. So two keys are the minimal one. Okay, so it has minimal two keys, it can contain 3 or 4, but we have to find out minimal number. Okay, so answer is B. Now the second part is asked as that this part is like highest normal form of R. Okay, so you know that these are the candidate keys, right? These two combinations will be the candidate keys. The candidate key will be what? X, y and yz will be the candidate key, right? So among them one will be the primary key, and the relation is xy determines z, zw determines x, y determines w. These all relations specify atomic values, right? Atomic values. Therefore, and wherever the atomic values are defined, these are called as the means. If what does it mean? See, xy determines z, so z should not determine anything. See, zw is determining x, z itself is not determining anything. Now x is not determining anything particular. Okay, so similarly w is not determining anything in particular, so these all are atomic value, therefore the highest normal form will be 1NF. Okay, so this kind of constraint present in 1NF itself, so answer is 1NF, so answer is A. Thank you.